Greetings, this is Seamus with Nagios, and in this video we're going to talk about sending Apache logs to Nagios Log Server 2024 R2. Having access to Apache web server logs is going to help you troubleshoot issues, understand user behavior and traffic patterns, keep your site secure, and maximize uptime. Let's get started. Alright. So to start with, we are going to log into the log server web interface. And right out of the gate, we'll be on the home page. And so let's click the green Add Log Source button on the upper right. Here you'll see setup guides for common types of devices and applications. And for this one, of course, we're going to go to Apache Server. So you'll see there's an automatic method. There's also a manual method if you'd like to configure it yourself. But for this video, we'll highlight the automatic method. It's a really quick and easy way to set up the Apache web server to send its Apache access and its Apache error log data upstream to Nagios Log Server. And so you can see there's actually a script ready to go. And we're going to do a curl request to start to grab that script from our Nagios Log Server instance. And then we'll run a couple of quick commands to point the logs upstream, and that's all we've got to do. So we'll go ahead and copy this one and jump over to shell and SSH into our web server. And now that we're in, we'll run that curl command and grab the setup script, and then we'll bounce back and run the second command, which is going to set up the feed of Apache error data. And there we go. Everything's running good. And we'll grab the third command, and that's going to set up the feed of the Apache access data. So we'll run that. And there we go. We've set it up. We ran the script. We've set up the feed. And so now what we'll want to do is check log server and see if we've got data coming in. So we can use the handy dandy checker that's down at the bottom of all the setup guides. And here we'll put in the IP of the Apache server that we're sending the data upstream from. And hit verify, and there you go. We've already got logs coming in from it. Sometimes it can take a little while before they start to come in, but most of the time it should be pretty much instantaneously. You'll start seeing log data in log server. Another way you can check is to go to your dashboards and just do a quick search in the Nagios Log Server search dashboard for the IP of that machine. So we'll punch in host.ip and the IP address of that Apache server and narrow it down to the last 5 minutes on the upper right just to make sure that we've got very recent data coming in from it. And there we go. Yep, we've got logs coming in, and now we've confirmed that and everything is set. And there you go. You can see it's a piece of cake to get Apache logs into Nagios Log Server. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you check out our YouTube channel, you'll find tons of other great content and tutorial videos that might be helpful. We'll see you next time.